How to view archived videos on Facebook. First of all, go ahead and open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view posts from your friends and pages that you follow. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Menu. This is the menu page. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then, tap on Settings. Now, scroll down to the Your Activity section. Then, go to Activity Log. Here, you can view and manage all your Facebook activity such as posts, tags and more. Now, tap on Archive. You can view all your archived posts over here. Tap on Story Archive at the top. Here, you can view all your archived stories. Following these steps, you can easily view archived videos on Facebook.